Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Days. It is New Year's Eve night, and as you can see, I got him cooking. I've been cooking, but he does the meat a little better than I do. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're going to have New Year's Eve night. Lots of people asked what we eat, how we eat, and how to use their canned food. This is deer steaks that I pounded out really in thin pieces. They were little small pieces, and as you can see here, I pounded them with a mallet. They're real thin, just salted. Danny's cooking them in some canned lard. We have some green beans, and I'm heating a jar of our potatoes. I usually get them hot, add a little butter, salt, and pepper, and mash them. Over here, I made some quick biscuits. These are gluten-free. They're made out of rice flour. Then we have egg custard pies. I didn't have but one crust, so I made a gluten-free crust with almond flour, put the egg custard in it, and the rest of the egg custard over here, so it'd just be like having a pudding. So guys, that's what we're having for supper on New Year's Eve night, New Year's Day. Tell them what we're having.
Cabbage, black-eyed peas, and cornbread.
And meat of some sort.
Some kind of meat. We got plenty of it. We'll find something.
So guys, hope you all have a happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and a prosperous one at that.
Thank you guys from Crazy Days.